Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to be looking at Serum's brand new filters. You can get the beta version, on the forum, the Extra Records forum, and it's you can check it out if you are a registered user. And yeah, let's check out the filters. So they include 3 new filters. They are all scream filters. And the scream filter was used and made famous, well, it's the sound of a generation, I guess, and it's used in Massive, and I believe there's one in Reason, and then a couple other people have taken a shot at it. But it's been included in Serum, or it's about to be included in Serum, and it's just, I guess, a testament of how Serum just keeps on giving. Like it's been around for since 2015, I believe, and there's still more things coming out, and I think this is gonna really, I don't know, we're gonna be hearing a lot of scream filters this year, right? So this is a scream filter low pass, and that's cool. So we click on it, we can see the phases, which isn't new, but it's very useful. So we have resonance, which has a little peak at the cutoff point, but then if we increase the scream and the drive, we get these really interesting, I want to call them harmonics, and it kind of looks like that. And it sounds like this. I'll pitch it down a little bit. And the scream adjusts the peak of those. And then the drive increases, I guess, the drive and the resonance gives a little boost at the cutoff point. And it sounds really cool. It also sounds really cool when you stack up the voices and kind of stack them up like that. And we can get some really interesting things. That's more conducive to like actual screaming. You can map that to, I guess, an envelope. It's an LFO, but I'm going to change it to an envelope because I'm cool like that. Right, and that is the scream low pass. There is also a band pass, which is it adds a band pass filter to it. So with that, you can add a nifty sub oscillator with direct out to add some beef into your sound. And turn down the scream and the resonance a bit. You can do cool things like resample the filter to this, and you can get some really freaking crazy dubstep filters, stuff like that. But that's the scream filter. And Steve Duda, being the guy that he is, he just added 2 more algorithms that he put together, both with low pass and band pass varieties. This Distortion Comb, which gives a different flavor, I guess. So increasing the resonance gives you the boost, I guess. And the comb filter adjusts the combing. So it's like a bunch of peaks. Right, you can do all sorts of stuff. With that, also the bandpass variety. And then another algorithm of the distortion comb filter. You can do neat things with that. Also useful is it's also included in the nifty effect rack of the filter, I guess, rack or module. The effects section, these filters are also included, and they sound really interesting when you drive them into like a tube distortion. And yeah, it's all nice and neat to do that. So yeah, that's these are the new filters. And I'm not, not particularly an expert in bass music, I guess, but you can do all sorts of things with this. Also interesting is, say if you have just as an example, you can like disengage this filter, have your distortion, and then have the filter post distortion, right? Where's the filter? Oh, there it is. I moved it around, sorry. You can have the filter after distortion, and you can increase the, or, you know, play with the harmonics that way. Let's see, I want to increase the scream. As an example, something's going on with this filter. It's like self-oscillating, or you get like sticky notes and stuff. But I guess that's going to be sorted out. But yeah, that's why it's a beta. But yeah, really interesting stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.